Sometimes when law enforcement does not have enough to get a search warrant, or simply they're lazy and they don't want to take the time to write a search warrant, they'll simply approach a home, knock on the door. They'll seem like their purpose is very benign. Hey, we just want to talk to you about something. Often people will let them into their home. This is a bad idea because once you let law enforcement into your home, ultimately you're on your way to giving up your Fourth Amendment rights. You have the right in your home to be free from unreasonable search and seizure. When law enforcement comes to your home, it's always best to just say, well, if we have something to talk about, I'm going to step outside. Once you let them through the threshold of the door, it's going to be a lot harder to argue that you didn't give consent. Notwithstanding, just because you let them in as a matter of law, that doesn't give them the right to search your home. But what law enforcement will typically do will be engage you in what seems like friendly conversation. Often law enforcement will say, well, you're not really the target. You're not why we're here. We're coming here to ask you about something else. And next thing you know, they're eliciting incriminating statements and they're obtaining your consent to search your home. That said, it is not against the law for a law enforcement to conduct a search if they obtain consent. And often these types of casual encounters later can be interpreted as a consensual situation where you've waived your right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure.